Ever feel like life's just waiting to hit you with an unexpected bill? A car repair, a medical emergency, even a sudden job loss? These aren't just inconveniences, they can derail your entire financial future if you're not prepared. But what if there was a way to build a financial safety net fast? A fund that protects you from whatever life throws your way, without sacrificing your current lifestyle. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. An emergency fund isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. It's 3 to 6 months of living expenses tucked away, untouched, ready for the unexpected. Most people hear that and think, impossible. But building this fund doesn't have to take years. We're going to break down actionable, straightforward strategies to accelerate your savings, starting today. The fastest way to build your fund? Increase your income, even temporarily. Every extra dollar you earn above your regular budget can go directly into your emergency savings. Side hustles. What skills do you have? Can you freelance, do some dog walking, tutoring, or deliver food? Even a few extra hours a week can add up significantly. Overtime. If your job offers it, pick up extra shifts. Treat that overtime pay as emergency fund only money. Sell unused items. Look around your house. That old bike, the designer bag you never use, electronics gathering dust. List them on marketplaces like eBay or Poshmark. You'd be surprised how much hidden cash you have. A quick tip: make it a game. Set a goal for how much you want to raise each week from selling things. Next, let's get aggressive with your spending, but smart aggressive. This isn't about living on ramen for months, but identifying temporary cuts that yield big results. Audit your subscriptions. Do you really need 4 streaming services, 2 gym memberships you don't use, and that obscure app? Cancel everything non-essential for a month or 2. Temporary spending freeze. Challenge yourself to a no-spend week or even a no-spend month on discretionary items. No eating out, no new clothes, no impulse buys. Pack lunches, cook at home, and find free entertainment. Negotiate bills. Call your internet, cable, and even insurance providers. Ask for a better rate or promotional discounts. A simple phone call can save you hundreds over a year. Reallocate windfalls. Did you get a tax refund? A bonus at work? A monetary gift? Don't let it disappear into your regular spending. Every single dollar goes straight into the emergency fund. This is crucial for rapid growth. Consistency is key, and automation makes consistency effortless. Set up automatic transfers. Decide on an amount you can realistically transfer from every paycheck directly into your emergency fund savings account. Make it happen before you even see the money. Treat it like a bill you have to pay yourself first. Separate account. Keep your emergency fund in a separate savings account, ideally at a different bank or at least clearly labeled, so you're not tempted to dip into it for non-emergencies. High Yield Savings Account, HYSA. Don't just let your money sit there. Look for a high-yield online savings account. While it won't make you rich, every bit of interest helps your money grow even while it's waiting to protect you. Building an emergency fund fast isn't just about the numbers. It's about a mindset shift. It's about prioritizing your peace of mind and financial security above short-term gratification. Remember our 3 core strategies: boost your income, slash and burn expenses, and automate and optimize. I know this can feel like a lot, but even small steps lead to big results. Start with just one strategy today. Which one will you implement first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful and want more actionable financial advice, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell. Your financial future is in your hands. Let's build it strong, together.